Petals. There are 5 small petals. We will now start crocheting the small petals. Prepare a thin wire of about 15 centimeters. Take out the color of wool shavings we need to use. Now tie a knot with the wool shavings. We start with 8 chain stitches. After completing the 8 chain stitches, pass through the outer half stitch of the first crochet hook. Then use the thin yellow wire. Wrap it around the top of the crochet hook. First stitch, single crochet. Second stitch, half double crochet. Third stitch, double crochet. Next stitch, double crochet. Next stitch, double crochet. Increase, stitch steal. Increase steal twice. Finally, crochet a triple crochet. Fold the wire in half. After crocheting a triple crochet, make 3 chain stitches. Pull through to the last stitch. Then make 3 chain stitches. Hook another triple crochet. Next, correspondingly hook. A triple crochet increase. After steaming, it becomes a long steaming. The following is a long steaming. The second to last steaming is a medium length steaming. The last steaming is a short steaming. After chopping, pass through the place where the first spoiled steaming is. Pull out the broken crumbs. Next, we will learn the knitting method of leaves. First, we need to prepare a thin wire of about 20 centimeters. Take out the green yarn. Tie a knot on your finger. We crochet 13 chain stitches. 1, 2. Good. After hooking 13 chain stitches, we find the first stitches. Pass through the outer loop that is far from us. Pass through the stitches. We place the thin wire above the crochet hook. Wrap the yarn around and pull it out. Let's start with a single crochet stitch. Hook a double crochet stitch in the next stitch. Hook a triple crochet stitch in the next stitches. Need to carry the yarn twice. Hook another triple crochet stitch in the next stitches. Next, crochet 3 double crochet stitches in the following 3 stitches. After crocheting the 3 double crochet stitches, next crochet 2 half double crochet stitches. Hook a single crochet stitch in the next stitches. Pass through the last stitches. Fold the wire in half. First, crochet a single crochet stitch. Crochet another single crochet stitch in the same stitches. After crocheting, 3 chain stitches inside. In the same spot where we crocheted the single crochet stitch before, pick up 2 diagonal loops, pull through directly from the subtitles. Crochet another single crochet stitch in the same subtitles. Next, we will crochet back. The previous stitches were 2 half double crochet stitches. We pass through the subtitles in the same subtitles. Hook half double crochet. Before, we hooked 3 double crochets. Similarly, correspondingly hook double crochet. Next is triple crochet. The second to last stitches, we hook double crochet the same as before. The last stitch is single crochet. Pass through the first stitches. Pull the yarn through and hook a slip stitch. Leave the yarn end slightly longer. After tying the leaf. After cutting the yarn, we wrap the remaining yarn end around the wire. Secure it in the middle of the 2 wires. Hook the corresponding number of leaves as needed. Next, let's take a look at how to make the flower center. Prepare a 15 cm thin wire and a pair of pliers. We need 2 colors of yarn. One is coffee-colored yarn and the other is yellow yarn. First, use the yellow yarn to open a small distance between the index finger and middle finger. Then wrap it around 4 times. After wrapping, cut the yarn. Then use the coffee-colored yarn to wrap it 3 times. We thread the thin wire through the middle of the yarn. Fold the thin iron wire in half and clamp it. Take the wool thread off the fingers. Fix the iron wire with fingers. Clamp the iron wire with the magnet wire. We can wrap the iron wire round. It will be more secure when fixed. Fixed well. Cut the middle part of the wool thread. Then pinch it into a ball with our fingers. Fix it with the thumb. We can trim the excess wool thread along the edge of our thumb. Cut off the excess wool thread. Trim it a bit. In this way, the flower heart is completed. Next, let's take a look at the assembly. First, we will wrap the leaves. Wrap them into 3 layers, 3 leaves combined into 1. Then put the 2 leaves together. These 2 leaves are the same height. This needs to be tightly tied. Put a little glue on it again. Fix the broken thread well. Wrap all the leaves into a 3-in-1 shape. 1 flower for 1 flower heart. First, put the flowers together and pull the thread. Align the top. Let's first put the flowers together and pull the thread. Five flowers, with petals as 1. At this point, we need to bring this over. Pull all these threads tight. Adjust a bit. Start wrapping with green yarn. Pull the bottom slightly tight. Try not to expose the thin wire. Open the flower petals to adjust the shape and distance. Okay, this forms the flower. Okay. Now we start adding wire. Add the flower stem. Add small leaves. Make a few more loops at the joints. Secure it. Used a mobile phone. Using the same method, we wrap another one. Combine the 2 together. Okay, after wrapping, in this back area, tie a bit to fix it in place. Cut off the excess flower stem. After packaging, then we adjust its shape again. Open the leaves a little bit. We can bend the branch a little bit using this wire. It will feel more natural this way. That's enough.